Okay, replacing the shocks on the Syclone today. These came with these Bilstein yellow shocks from the factory. These are the original shocks. This truck's 29 years old. And the reason why I think they're original, well, first of all, it says Delco here. The replacements just say Bilstein. But it's kind of a neat marking on here. It says, made in Western Germany. Western Germany. So the Berlin Wall fell when? 1990-ish. This truck's a 91. So these would be made before 1991, which makes me think that they're the original shocks. So the difference between the new one and the old one, you'll see, if I put all my weight down on both shocks, so I'm trying to put equal pressure. You see the original one compresses much easier and it comes up quite quickly. So that says that this is not nearly as pressurized as the new ones. And that's why this truck's kind of bouncing all over the road, I think, because these shocks are worn out. So that's kind of how you tell the difference with an old shock versus a new shock when it's off the truck. Again, put the pressure on these. It's hard to move the new one at all, but the original one compresses very easily.